Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a payment here at Azusa Pacific University. Using your computer, visit your APU portal at home.apu.edu and log in using your APUNet ID and password. If you're using the APU Now app on your phone, you can visit your portal by tapping on home.apu.edu and logging in from there. From here, the instructions will be the same on your mobile app as they will be on your computer. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Financials. Open up the drop-down and click on Billing and Payment. You'll be taken to a separate page, so you might need to log into your APUNet ID again. This page is called Transact, formerly known as CashNet. This is where you can make a payment, view previous transactions, see your billing statements, invite additional payers, and more. In this video, we'll focus on making a payment. On the left-hand side, click on Make a Payment. You'll see your remaining balance and will be able to choose how much you'd like to pay. Once you hit Enter, you'll see different payment options, including the option to add a 529 savings plan. Select your payment option and fill in your payment information. If you're using a credit card, a service charge will also apply. Finally, you'll see one last confirmation page to confirm your details. To complete the payment process, click on Pay, followed by your payment amount. If you have any questions, feel free to email our Undergraduate Enrollment Services Center or our Student Services Center at uesc@apu.edu or call us at 626-815-2020.